Hello guys, we're here. We got a Maxi Pro in the mail today from the good old UPS man, and we're going to do an unboxing of it. And you get to see it just like I get to see it. It's not open, you know, and hopefully it's pretty good. It's wrapped in a bunch of plastic on a case. And as y'all can see, it's not banged up at all. I can't even see a scratch. Yep, perfect condition. And it got here in about 3 days from the time we ordered it. And it's a MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro. Bi-Directional. Slide it over. And as you can see, it's got cool stuff on the back. Can y'all see that? And then it's got this. And if y'all want to read that, just pause it. And this address right here. And just a little disclaimer, Autel is not paying us for this video. I would like them to, but they're not. And got a cool Autel thing in the back, card case, and got these cool little snappies. It's almost like a snap-on case. Of course, it's Autel. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty cool. I guess the instruction manual's right there. That's a quick start guide is what it is. And it explains the functions. Yeah, it just explains all the different functions and apps and auto scans and VCR firmware upgrade. And then the remote desktop. And this thing also, if it's Bluetooth, so if you copy a screenshot, you can also send it to your phone, and then you can send it to your phone, to your laptop, to your computer, and actually print it off and give it to a customer. So that's pretty cool.
You get a 1-year warranty.
Yeah. But we got a 2-year warranty for buying it when we bought it. But it automatically comes with a 1-year warranty and software update. So in other words, you get a software update for free. And the thing with Snap-on versus Autel, the updates on the Autels are $350 a year, and the Snap-on ones, it's $1,000 about every 6 months. So big difference there. And this is a quick reference guide. You can scan it and it'll walk you through it. And you do got to register this thing when you get it. So all that warranty stuff and updates will be automatically redone. All you got to do is go to the App Store on the scanner and hit upgrades. Now, let's see what this is. That's a little light for the screen. get your little nasty fingerprints off of it. And it kind of looks like here we got a plug that we can't use. Interesting. That's interesting. Alright, first glance, I'm not too impressed with the plug, because that's not American. That is some other country's plug. But the good thing is it's USB, so you can just about use any power adapter. But if they're selling these Autels in America, they should be giving them American plugs. So first impression, that's not too good. Like it's an American address. I live in the US. And here's a USB cord. That's for the charging port. And it's got the same connector actually as Snap-on. Just want to put that out there. Same thing. Even their little lights they sell, that's the same power cord. I'll just show you. If anybody owns Snap-on stuff, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And they give you a little hand one thing to put on the corner. And this is your computer
USB cord.
to your scanner, USB cord. Now, they gave us 2 salt duckies. We don't really want them. Pretty nice Velcro. It's not moving. And the first thing we see here is this thing right here. It says, please peel off this mask after application completed. Okay. Pretty cool. It's got this little thing right here you hang on the steering wheel of the car, and you can do it while you're doing stuff on the car, you know, like. And it's basically an Android tablet with some rubber on the outside and with a computer chip in it to be able to download stuff on it. And you can get on the internet with this thing and everything. And this is the car connector. You can also charge it. Pretty sure you could also hook the laptop up to that with a USB cable and see what you're doing here. I could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure you can. But anyways, I guess that little power cord right here goes on here, so you don't lose it. Because see one on this. But that's the steering wheel thing, or you can set it up in your toolbox like that, and it kind of looks cool, you know, but it's really to hang on the steering wheel. And you can watch it while you're driving. You're not supposed to, but everybody does. Just alright, we're gonna figure out how to turn this thing on. There's a power cord right there that says on. And then you got your little chip. Another OTG plug, and another plug, and another plug. But we're going to be after this little button right here. I'm going to hit it on. And we're going to do this. And the light turns green. And it's supposed to take a minute to upload. A minute or less. Bam, there you go. Now, if you touch it,
Oh wow, it acts like a tablet.
it says swipe up. It is an Android tablet.
Well, yeah, well, I guess I just didn't expect it to operate like that because it's like heavy duty.
Swipe open. Okay. And it says alert. Internet connection is required for identification for the first use of the software. After software upgrade or factory reset, please connect to the internet. Okay. Important, please read to the end. Use your license agreement carefully. The terms of the end. Alright. I'm going to hit accept. And bam. So once establish connecting to the VCR, which is this. But we're not going to do that right now. And then you got automatic select, which will tell you VIN number and all that stuff automatically and tell you what you got. Or you can manually do it. Some cars, like on the Audis, you just look up, Chevy Trailblazers, because if you go to the Audis, it's just a bunch of BS, and it's really Chevy Trailblazer. But that's why you go to auto select, because if you went to this, it'd tell you a bunch of wrong information because it's not really an Audi. So you would just go into that, and then it tells you what years. And we're just going to say this. And then it tells you all the other stuff. Then we're going to go to TJ Wrangler. You can either go to diagnostics or hot functions. And hot functions is bi-directional stuff. And the diagnostics is, scanning the car with this. But we're going to go to this because we're not scanning the car because we're not hooked up. Select function is not supported. I'm pretty sure I gotta have this hooked up to get there. But we're gonna escape. And we go to diagnostics and see I'm not getting anything either because it's trying to scan and this is not. So we are gonna go back here. And we're gonna go there. Maintenance tasks are running. Press OK to display the running maintenance task. Oh. Okay, we're going to have to escape. Hit yes. And this is something else about the scanner. If you click on, say, Jeep, and then you hit the home button, when you go back to diagnostics, you're not starting over. You're going to go right back to where you left off. You have to exit out everything. And that's probably the only difference between this one and the Snap-on one is that feature. Because when you on a Snap-on one, when you hit the home button, it's home. You have to go back into history to get back to that one. But this one takes you right back to it. Yeah, it just pretty much tells you that I'm going to have to do that. Otherwise, it's going to keep doing what it did before, and see it has the same thing. And then you have to hit yes. And then you can hit home.